Here?
If we could bend, yeah, if we could bend to that stupid pinch weld, I think we'd be close.
Here?
Yes.
You talking this heat shield here?
Well, it's the pinch weld and then the heat shield. Yes. And the heat shield's riveted. We can always just drill the rivets out and get it out of there. But we can't get to the front ones. And even then, the pinch weld's the actual thing we're hitting. The heat shield we just bend. Oh, did you already get it? Yeah. Oh, hello. I need a 15mm wrench. It's under here somewhere. Oh, that's a 14 there. It's probably up frontish. Oh, here it is. I got it.
Just don't touch anything right now, please.
I'm touching everything. All right, that just happened. Yep. All right,
good.
Hand is down.
All right, slide your way. I got the top.
You have it?
Yep.
Promise?
Yeah, 60%. All right, stop.
You gotta, like, you know what it's not supposed to do?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I've worked on transmissions before, and that's supposed to be more solidarity, brother.
Kidding, Jordan.
Right here, Jordan.
If you dropped that and broke the bell housing, I would. We'd know what was wrong with it then, wouldn't we?
What's wrong with it?
You don't think it's supposed to do that?
That's a lot of wiggle.
I really don't.
You want to hear a cool sound?
What sound?
Your transmission.
It sounds like it shouldn't do that.
Sounds like you got shaft problems.
Nice. What the?
I don't do
splines,
transmissions.
like give out on it, or are they just?
I think it broke, but we'll give us a second here. Whoa, what do you think? 10mm? Let's just bust the sucker apart. I've never worked on a. What is this? A T56? I don't even know.
No, I don't think it's a T56. That's in a Chevy.
That's not true, is it? That's a Ford thing.
And that's a 6-speed. So, that's a good question. It's like a T40 or something like that.
I think you're lying. I think you're. Don't piss on my dick and tell me it's raining. How do you feel this is the first transmission we've taken apart and it's yours happening live?
I mean, it's probably.
Oh, are
fine.
you? Huzzah! Oh.
Nothing. That doesn't seem like it's supposed to do that.
No, I think it's fine. I think it's good.
There goes the seal.
Oh yeah, the seal was probably good. Yeah, that's a good point.
You want the hammer?
Or a tripod.
Yeah, see?
There's other things.
Oh boy. Hey, that's reusable.
Guys, can you pull it down, please?
Down or up?
Down.
Okay, well, the rest of it was up, so. Oh, there's not much to that.
Shit forks. Look at that.
Oh no.
What?
That shaft goes all the way through.
No, it doesn't. It's got splines right there.
Is this supposed to have splines right here? Oh, that's so hot.
Do you feel good about your decisions?
No. Oh, that's melted.
Yeah, stop. It's fine. That just catches oil and puts it back out there. It just catches oil.
Why is it melted?
Because you welded it, or it got really hot when it broke down and it was going.
Oh, I bet that. Yeah, I bet that's actually what it was. It's still hot from that.
Who's this? Oh, look at that. Jordan, we were back up and rolling. Spacer. Why is it so gunky?
The spacer?
Look at this. Everything.
You had a meltdown.
He does that every day at work. What are you gonna do then? Get the shift work out of the way? Hey, where'd you find that?
Oh
Behind
no.
the fridge.
Hey, look. These are laying in the bottom. Oh, are those important?
They probably go to this. That's probably why this wouldn't go back on.
That probably is true.
Okay.
That makes sense, right? Right.
Does it?
Look at this thing. See if they fit. Oh yeah, they fit in there.
Yeah, that's probably where it goes.
And that probably is like a.
Here.
Yeah, that goes on this little bunk maybe.
I don't know how you're supposed to get all that in there. Like,
But that goes back further, right?
no.
You want snap ring pliers?
Yep.
Flywheel side. Oh yeah. That pilot bearing feels so much better. You give me a ratchet and a short extension.
Right, this needs to go against that. So.
Now the next thing is to remove this shift fork that holds sleeve.
Shit, all this has to go in with the shift fork.
There's a retainer here. You need to remove that first.
Right here.
Where that is.
I think it's supposed to be 4 go.
There you go.
And that's with no lube in here. Yeah, short throw in this thing. Put the reverse. There you go. There. Yep. Alright, we're going on up. What am I hitting? There you go. Just hold it there for a sec. I don't know what I'm hitting.
You're barely on the bolt, so you'll try to get up on next level. There we go. You might be through now.
Okay. All right, give me this. Can you see the side?
There you go.
Yeah. That's what it was right there. Don't look at the end. That's because we didn't know what we were doing.
What?
Oh.
Huh? Hang on.
Should be able to go.
All right, go. What's the problem?
Your end over there. And the...
Let it down a little bit. Right there's fine.
You have that pipe right by your head? Yeah. Where's it going?
Right here. I just told you, right through there. You can't push on my arm, though.
Bring it back.
You cannot push on my arm.
We gotta bring it back, Aiden. So it's gotta go on both sides of the transmission. Okay. Right around.
What are you doing, Aiden?
We're gonna, well, your arm's in the way.
I only got so much time here.
Alright, put your arm back. Aiden, up and forward.
I'm done.
Huh?
That's all I got. I'm done.
Right, you're good. Aiden, up and forward. You gotta go above the. Right,
You see where it goes, Aiden?
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the transmission's in the way. All right, let me see if I can get. Now that we're up here, I'm about to go get cross arms in here.
I got this exhaust.
You ready to fill it?
You pulling?
He's still filling. Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah,
pulling fast. I'm pulling a lot of air. It's going fast.
There's no more scent on that one. That's pretty old. Change your little trees, Jordan. Come on now. What are you doing, Moose?
So when you do this, like, you'll have like a shelf in.
It's gonna be on all 4 shoes for the first time in a minute. Oh baby. Let me get in first. Let me get the key in the ignition. Hang on. That's an ashtray. It's not even a cup holder. There's no cup holders. Get in his wallet. What's he got? Take it all. There's no cup holders in this thing, dude.
Puts coins in here like a woman.
Wow. Where? There's seriously no cup holders.
No,
in this
there's
thing?
no cup holder. What's in here?
No,
Nothing.
nothing. It's just a.
No,
Just
there's no cup
disappointment.
holders.
Where do you put your beverages?
You don't.
You think one of us should look under there and see if we're leaking oil?
Oh, you're gonna rip the door off. We'll see the puddle on the ground when we back out.
It's true.
Where's the idling so high?
Choke.
Why?
Where's the lights on this room? I don't know.
Left floorboard? Got a tow button? Oh. Yeah, hold that out the window. Boop. It's got a pole light. What a piece. Actually, it's nice. Oh, he left it on E for us. Where he wasn't even gonna make it home.
He wasn't even going to make it to the next gas station. I wonder, he's got his trip set at 115. I wonder. Your headlights are like terrible.
No, they're good. No, they're not. Look at them. I only have one in my truck. Look at them. They're like not. He's got both of them. Is he that much taller than me? I can't reach the pedals. I don't know. Third gear, baby.
Third. Wow, can you see when I do this?
No, I can't.
Not at all. I was busy looking behind us out the window.
No. Third gear. All good things, all good things. Fourth gear. We have speedometer? Yeah. Let's go do a burnout.
This thing rides pretty nice.
You want to do a burnout?
No. Not on the brand new clutch.
Why? Because it just got fixed.
No, that's how you seat the clutch.
Ignore that rattle on your side.
Does the fuel gauge work in your truck? Huh?
No, it does not.
Okay.
That's good. That's a good thing for us.
Because we were wondering, like, even if you didn't brake, you weren't going to get very much farther.
No.
So how many miles per
As long
tank
as
do you
the odometer isn't at like 250 miles, you're good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, we're fine then.
That's good, because we got about a mile from home and thought, ooh, we don't have gas. I mean, if I'm driving, it just has to get, I can't leave Mike hanging, kind of. What was it that one guy said? Stop. That actually felt kind of nice. It's cold out right now a little bit.
Here, use this for the intro. Be like,
All right, hang on. Let me set the GoPro down. There's no reason for me to hold it. I don't gain anything from this. Doing this. There's no good reason. Okay.
oh, hey.
That's it. Jordan's truck's fixed. Transmission successfully rebuilt.
I can't remember how I was like,
Test drive, first through fifth. Oh yeah, good thing we had another one.
Cross member.
Test drive, first through fifth, reverse, it all works. It drove fine, no weird noises. It really just all went perfectly the whole time, and there were never any hiccups or difficult moments, so we knew how everything went the first time, every time exactly. So, easy. In conclusion, Deathbeat has little hands. Subscribe to DBS Racing. Jordan P's installs.
we're starting a not-for-profit.
Yeah, if you like freedom and veterans, you're not a Nazi pig person.
It's called Ride to Reset. That's all the
To
paperwork.
reset, I thought it was restore.
No, Ride to Reset. This is all the paperwork to get it started, except for the part that we actually need to get it started.
It's going to be for veterans to ride four-wheelers that we will fully maintain and supply to them that don't have four-wheelers. They can borrow them for the day and go riding with Jordan and us and anybody else that likes to ride four-wheelers. And then instead of, I don't know, going to therapy and talking about their feelings, they can freaking hold her wide, bud, and then feel better about themselves like everybody else does. Veterans don't care about feelings. They want to have adrenaline and pound energy drinks and kill people, and we're all for it. Dead pedophiles don't reoffend, right?
They also don't have any arms.
Well, they're not going to know what that means.